Tello versus Visible, which is better? In this video, we'll compare Tello and Visible, two popular prepaid wireless service providers, and help you decide which is the better option for your needs. Both of these services offer affordable plans with no contracts, but they cater to different types of users. Let's break down the key features, performance, and value of each so you can make an informed decision. First, Tello operates on T-Mobile's network, offering flexible plans that can be customized to your usage. With Tello, you can select how many minutes, texts, and gigabytes of data you need, which means you only pay for what you use. Their plans start at just $5 per month, which makes them an excellent choice for light users or those looking to save as much as possible. You also get access to 5G speeds, but only if you choose a plan that includes data. The downside, however, is that Tello's coverage may not be as expansive in rural areas compared to Visible, which is powered by Verizon's robust 4G and 5G network. Visible, on the other hand, offers more straightforward, all-inclusive pricing. With only two plans, $25 a month for unlimited data, talk, and text, or $40 a month for the same with 5G access and hotspot functionality, Visible simplifies things for users who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach. The fact that all Visible plans come with unlimited data, talk, and text makes it a great option for heavy data users or those who need more comprehensive service without worrying about overage charges. Additionally, Visible includes a hotspot feature, which Tello lacks in its base offerings, though it can be added for an extra cost. In terms of customer support, Tello excels with its personalized service and the ability to reach customer service through multiple channels. Visible, while generally reliable, has fewer direct support options and leans heavily on its online customer service portals. When it comes to pricing, if you're a light user or want flexibility in your plan, Tello's pay-as-you-go model could be more cost-effective. However, for users who need consistent, unlimited service with solid coverage across the US, Visible may be the better choice, especially if you're after 5G access and a more streamlined experience. To sum it up, Tello is perfect for those who want low-cost, flexible plans, while Visible is ideal for heavy data users who need fast, reliable service with more simplicity. Ultimately, it comes down to your specific needs: flexibility and cost efficiency, or comprehensive, straightforward service with no limits.